Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on DOOGEE Blade 20 Max. First, go to Settings and then Battery, Battery Saver and enable the battery saver. Go back and here you can enable the battery percentage so you can see how your phone is charged. Then go back into the display, enable the adaptive brightness and dark theme like I have. Then screen timeout and shorten this time to around 1 minute. Here, go back and in the wallpaper and styles, choose the wallpaper that is a plain color or a photo. Don't use any animatic wallpapers. Here, just click right here and clear all the background apps. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.